pakhat kan so lokang jai na nge ni sak don
Amas chuan trading my sorrows.
da zan ha kan por mor pholok do na doctor so hi en doctor ani ti sha lo no ve no ringa music doctor mo ko lo tia dentist doctor ni ti kha kan sha ti le de na chuan sten chi de ko ni ta ban la he
Robin. Nandot mo. Kan hot talk lo. Demoy kan nandot mo. Dam chuan, let me hear your hand. The song I'm going to sing is called Trading My Sorrows. So you have a part. When it comes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. When it comes, I want you to raise your hand. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Let's try it, okay? Let's practice. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Oh, come here, one pian kan below between them. Oh, trading my sorrows. Yes. Can we do some music? Yes. I'm trading my sorrows. I'm trading my shame. I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. I'm trading my sickness. I'm trading my pain. I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. We say yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, amen. I'm pressed but not crushed, persecuted, not abandoned, struck down but not destroyed. I'm blessed beyond the curse, for His promise will endure. His joy is gonna be my strength. Though the sorrow may last for the night, His coming comes with the morning. I'm trading my sorrows. I'm trading my shame. I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. I'm trading my sickness. I'm trading my pain. I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. Let's go. We say yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord.